If your dress is clipping through the avatar, don't worry, it's not your fault. It's CLO3D's fault. Alright, jokes aside, there are three main reasons this happens, and you need to understand them before making any dress. So let's start with number one, particle distance. Yes, this is the most important reason your dress starts clipping. By default, Marvelous Designer or CLO3D sets particle distance to 20 mm, and sometimes that's just too low poly. When the particle distance is around 20 mm or even more, the cloth becomes less dense and it will start seeing clipping, especially around the area like bust, shoulders, and hips. To fix this, all you have to do is just lower the particle distance a bit. And 99.59% of the time, this alone fixes the problem. And personally, I always set particle distance to 10 mm and I never face this issue. So always check your particle distance before making any dress in CLO3D or Marvelous Designer. And if you want to understand what particle distance is, you can check this video after finishing this one, of course. Alright, now, if this still doesn't fix it, number two can be the reason: collision thickness of fabric. Well, there's a chance that the fabric's collision thickness causes the clipping with avatar. If you select any pattern and go to the property window, you will find collision thickness. By default, it's set to 2.5 mm. And honestly, that's already perfect in most cases. Only increase this value if lowering the particle distance didn't fix the problem. And quick note, please don't go above 4 mm, otherwise the fabric will start looking a bit odd. Now, if it still doesn't fix it, that rare 0.45% case, well, number three will be your friend: skin offset of the avatar. This is the last thing you should check. I keep this at the end because most of the time, the skin offset is really not the issue. Skin offset is basically the invisible bubble that wraps around the avatar. And by default, it's set to 3 mm, which means there is already a 3 mm gap between the fabric and the avatar. And trust me guys, 3 mm is a lot, like a lot. So in most cases, you don't need to tweak it at all. But the clipping is still there, just increase it slightly, maybe 4 mm at maximum. And yeah, these are basically the reasons that cause your dress clipping with the avatar. And I know it's very annoying, but now you know how to fix them. If still you have this issue, please comment down below. I will try my best to solve it. And also, you can join my Discord server so I can understand your problem easily. And lastly, if you want to make this dress, watch this video where I covered how to make a simple dress step by step. Alright, thanks for watching, and special thanks to all my members. You guys are awesome.